Animal quiz number 2. Farm animals. Can you answer them all?
What is the term for the practice of shoeing a horse? Farrier. Approximately how much water does a cow drink per day? 30 gallons. What breed of goat is known for its small size and is often kept as a pet? Pygmy goat. What is the average lifespan of a goat? 10 to 15 years. Which breed of goat is known for its meat production? 4. What is the average incubation period for turkey eggs? 28 days.
How did you do? Let us know in the comments. Follow the Quiz Question Queens for more quiz fun.